At Alfra, we've been manufacturing cutters for 3 generations, and if you went to our other videos, you'd see that we have been manufacturing high-speed steel cutters, various classes of tungsten carbide cutters, and one of our major classes of cutters is what we call our strong construction cutters. These are tungsten carbide cutters typically used in applications that require a 2-inch or greater diameter hole. And these also are cutters that will give you a very, very close tolerance cutting when used with Morse taper class magnetic drills. What we're showing here is the cutter. We're also showing the holder that goes into a Morse taper mag drill. And just to show you some features and advantages of the cutter, if you're, like I said, going to make a tungsten carbide cut in a hole diameter of above 2 inches, this is much more economical than trying to manufacture or use a regular standard tungsten annular cutter. With a strong construction cutter, you have a thin wall. You have a very, very high content of cobalt in the cutter, as well as carbide tips to the cutter. In this case, a 3-inch diameter with 6 carbide tips. When we introduce this to the tool holder through a keyway system, it slides right in. You secure it by tightening down the Allen screw. The coolant system is a through-hole coolant built into the cutter, and then also you have a tip for ejecting your slug. We have used this cutter in Morse taper 2, Morse taper 3, Morse taper 4 mag drills, and actually we even go up to Morse taper 5 for other types of applications. And this cutter will cut up to as many as 30-40 holes with tolerances holding at about 6 thousandths while using a mag drill, and that's pretty unheard of. So when you do want to cut a hole over 2 inches and you want to use a strong construction cutter, you need the cutter, which will go up to, in our standard offering, about 5 inches in diameter and as much as 4 inches in length. And then also you need the kit for the tool holder. The tool holder comes with an L bracket so that you can hold steady the coolant system while you're rotating on the inside making the cut. Also comes with an additional coolant coupling, and it also comes with your hex keys to make any adjustments that you need. The accessory kit and the strong construction cutter by Alfra, made in our plants in Hockenheim, Germany.